It's the little orange light of doom, your check engine light. We've all been there, haven't we? You're driving along, minding your own business, when suddenly, it lights up. If your first thought is, maybe it'll turn off on its own, you're not alone. Ignoring it is tempting, but let's talk about why that tiny light can lead to some huge problems if left unchecked. The check engine light isn't just there for decoration. It's your car's way of saying, hey, something's off. Now, it doesn't always mean disaster. It could be something as simple as a loose gas cap. Yeah, that's right. A gas cap not tightened properly can trigger it. But here's the kicker. If you dismiss it without investigation, you could miss more serious problems brewing under the hood. For instance, let's talk about your oxygen sensor. A faulty sensor won't make your car explode, but it can mess up the fuel-air mixture, reducing fuel efficiency and potentially damaging your catalytic converter. And we all know how expensive catalytic converters are, right? Suddenly, that ignored check engine light just added a comma to your repair bill. Or how about your spark plugs? Worn-out plugs might cause misfires, leading to sluggish performance and, eventually, a completely dead engine. That light could be the early warning system saving you from a very expensive headache. Then there's your mass airflow sensor, which measures how much air your engine needs. If this fails, you're looking at a rough idle, stalling, or worse, permanent engine damage. See where we're going here? Now, I get it. Mechanics aren't cheap, and diagnostics alone can feel like a rip-off. But here's a pro tip. Many auto parts stores will run a basic diagnostic for free. They'll plug in a scanner and tell you what's causing the light to come on. It's not always the full picture, but it's a great start. If you're a DIYer, you can even invest in your own OBD2 scanner. They're surprisingly affordable, and with a little research, you can diagnose minor issues yourself. Just make sure you act on it. Knowing the problem but not fixing it is like hearing your fire alarm and deciding to take a nap. So, next time that little light pops up, don't ignore it. Think of it as your car whispering, "Help me before it's too late." Sure, it might be a false alarm, but isn't it better to know? After all, a stitch in time saves 9. Or in this case, a quick fix saves thousands. What's the longest you've gone ignoring your check engine light? Share your story in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car wisdom.